Now let's start to learn the 5 tones. For the sake of the practice, let's use the pronunciation m. You can practice with me. The first tone is flat. Ma. Ma. You can move the hand like what I do. The first tone, ma. Ma. Mom, as everyone else in the world calls. The second tone, the green arrow, the tone goes up. Again, with the sound ma, ma, it goes up. Ma. Can you follow me? Ma. Now let's move to the third tone. It goes down at the beginning and then goes up. Ma. Ma. Move your hand like what I do. Ma. It is a horse. Ma is a horse. Next one, the fourth tone, the orange color. The tone goes down. Ma. 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 Last one is a light tone. Ma. Ma. Very light and quick. Ma. Let's repeat. The first tone, ma. The second one, ma. The third one goes down and then goes up. Ma. And the last one goes down. Ma. Sorry, this is the last one. The fifth tone, the light tone. Ma. Ma. Now take some time to try to remember it, and you practice. You can pause and continue at your own pace. Now let's do some exercise and see how much you can get. Don't worry if you cannot get it yet. Listen to my pronunciation and try to match with the right tone on the right column. E. E. The second one. R. R. The third one. 四. 四. The fourth one. 五. 五. The last one. L. L.